So over the years, I've heard people use real estate terms they know nothing about. I've heard people say real estate, they invest in real estate, they bought real estate, they have some real estate properties, they got some apartments and some duplexes in from a real estate company. But what actually is real estate? Guys, you're welcome to today's episode with Lomby Homes. So my name is Lomby Miracle Princess and I'm a real estate consultant. So on this real estate series with Lomby, I'm going to be dissecting different real estate terms and their meanings because these are terms that we use on a daily in the real estate industry and you need to really know about them and what they actually mean to avoid getting mixed up or misunderstanding these terms. Okay, real estate is any immovable property that you own, you live in, you rent out, you develop, or you invest in. That is real estate.
So, in terms of land, real estate refers to land and everything permanently attached to it, like natural elements. So, the natural elements are things like water, trees, soil, and minerals. Then, another type is man made structures. In terms of land, real estate also refers to man made structures. Man made structures such as houses, buildings, estates, and roads. So, and also in terms of land, real estate also has to do with improvements made to the land. Improvement made to the land, such as fencing around the property, foundation, drainage system, good road network. So, this is basically what real estate is all about on a nutshell. Please do well to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.